You always wondered why your business had to live in 10 different systems. Sales in one tab, inventory in another, finance in spreadsheets, manufacturing in a silo, shipping in someone's inbox. Now it doesn't. Meet Axolt. Need to quote and convert faster? Run CPQ and approvals in one flow. Need real-time inventory before you promise a delivery date? See it, reserve it, ship it. Need manufacturing, planning, and shop floor visibility without chaos? Track every batch, every job, every move. Need logistics and service scheduling that actually talks to the customer record? Route it. Schedule it. Prove delivery. This isn't another tool. This is your business, connected. Axolt unifies sales, finance, inventory, manufacturing, shipping, logistics, and customer management, breaking down silos, streamlining operations, and giving you a single source of truth, a complete CRM plus ERP experience.